back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, straight out of the oven, super hot. We're doing a tuna pasta. We've got some lovely stuff in there. We've got some tomatoes, cream, garlic, onions, olives. I've got some anchovies in there. You can play around with it a little bit. It's really simple. It's great for kind of a family dinner, or if you're a student or something like that, really easy to knock up. You can keep that for a couple of days in the refrigerator. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. One of the ingredients is not here right now, that's your pasta. So get whatever pasta you want. Fusilli, spaghetti, penne, anything, get that cooked and set that aside. Right, here we go. I've got some onions, chopped garlic. Today I'm using some chili powder, give it a nice spice, and some dried oregano. Here I've got some anchovies, some black olives, Parmesan cheese, cream. You can use a single cream or a double cream, like a heavy cream if you wanted. 2 tins or cans of tomatoes, some mozzarella grated, and some tuna. That's about it. Really simple. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started. I've got a touch of oil in there. I'm using a corn oil. We're going to start by dropping in our garlic, chopped garlic, and I'm using quite a lot. I like a lot of garlic in this. Our onions, which I've just sort of cut into rings. You can chop it smaller if you wanted. Let's just throw those olives in now. I'm using a black, as you can see, but obviously a green would work as well. And then our dried stuff, chili powder, and oregano, or oregano, as some of you call it. Okay, let's get this cooking, throw it around in the pan for about 3 minutes. So that's just coming together there. Now what we're going to do is drop in our tuna and our anchovy, and this comes with a little bit of olive oil, so I'm going to throw that in as well. Now a lot of people don't like anchovies. You might be one of these people, then in that case don't put it in, but it will give it a lovely flavour and it won't be that strong. You could be dropping in a few veggies here if you wanted. Bulk it out a little bit, you know, you can get some carrots in there, bell peppers, zucchini, for example. Okay, another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add our tomatoes. Wonderful. So here we go. 2 cans of plum tomatoes. While I'm here, let's get a little bit of salt in there and some black pepper. What we need to do now is let's get the heat down to above a medium and let this go now for about 8 minutes or so. Give it a stir every now and then. Wonderful. It's been going for like 7 or 8 minutes. Next up, I'm going to put a little bit of our Parmesan in. Not all of it, because we're going to put that on top of our pasta when it goes in the oven. Again, a little bit of mozzarella in the mix. Then we're going to go for that cream. Now like I say, you could be adding a single cream, a thick cream, a heavy, you know, whatever you want really, it all works. It's all going to sort of melt down. I'm going to give this a mix, keeping the heat on, so that kind of just above medium. I'm going to let this go just for like 2 minutes. Keep stirring it all the time now. Beautiful. Off goes the heat there. Now what we're going to do is get our pasta in. Our cooked pasta of choice. As you can see, I'm using this small fusilli. All we need to do is give that a nice little mix. get the sauce all over it. Then we're going to go over, get this in a oven tray, pop some cheese on it, pop it in the oven. It's going to be done. I'll just see it at the table. So here I've got a glass Pyrex type oven proof dish. You could be using ceramic or metal, up to you. Really simply, we've got to get this in. We're now just going to pop a bit of cheese on there. Here's that mozzarella. Here's our parmesan. You could be using a cheddar or something else if you wanted. Now that's going to go in my oven. Now get your oven on maximum heat, preheated, maximum heat. Everything is cooked here. We're just trying to get it together and brown it. So maximum heat, that's going to go in my oven for about 8 minutes, I would say. Okay. Wow, there you go. Really lovely, really simple. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do click that bell icon below. Check out our social media, Facebook, website, all that stuff. Links are below there. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.